Don't forget to subscribe, please, and share. We love science. We love tech. Engineering. You bet. Mathematics. We love that too. We love to laugh and learn and play with you. Domino and Jett. Hey, Domino and Jett. Hey, Domino and Jett. Hey, Domino and Jett. Hey. Hey guys, Domino here, and today we're gonna do something cool. We're gonna build a water rocket. This is the water rocket, everybody. I think we should go ahead and dive right into it. Ooh, look, a bottle. Oh, whoa. What is this? Oh, that's it. So I see a plastic bottle, a tube, and some water rocket thingies. These are the rocket thingies and these are the... Okay, what is it? Let's just leave them here. And the instructions. Okay. No, I got it.
Hey Domino, what are you over there doing?
I'm building a water rocket.
A water rocket? Man, that sounds like fun.
It is. CB, why don't you tell our friends how this water rocket works?
You got it. You'll need water to put in your rocket and a stopper to hold the water in. The rocket is forced to fly into the air because the water pushes down towards the ground. Kinda like the way you go up when your legs push down towards the ground.
Cool, but what makes the water push down to the ground?
I'm glad you asked. Air.
Air?
No, not that air, silly. We'll need the amount of air from something like a bicycle pump. As you pump air into the rocket, the air fills up the space above the water. Eventually, the pressure becomes so high that the stopper is pushed out. Now the air pressure pushes the water out of the bottle's neck at high speed. This makes the rocket take off into the air.
Great, thanks, CB.
Anytime, my friend.
Now let's finish building this water rocket. Oh, there it is. Okay. Bicycle pump required, not included. It looks like I'm gonna have to get my bicycle pump. And I think it's in the crawl space. Dun, dun, dun! So you guys are gonna have to come with me. Before you go out and buy this, you should know this rocket is not a toy. The air inside this rocket reaches high pressure. Adult supervision is required. I think we're all done with building it. Now let's go get the pump in the crawl space. Dun, dun, dun! Okay guys, we gotta get the bicycle pump in that cross space. Let's go. It's real creepy in here. Ugh. What? Oh, great. I'm glad I got this headlight. Where is the bicycle pump? Is that it? No, that's not it. Uh-oh. Light's going out. Oh, crud. Now I can't see anything. What's that? Hello? Jett, that was you? You silly goose. And you found a bicycle pump. Thanks, sis. I guess that can't stick around for the fun. But now we have our bicycle pump. So let's move on to the next step. We have to put water in the rocket. No, here. Oh! Okay, this is getting slow. Okay, is that it? Okay, here it is. Okay, I filled it up to the second line. So we're gonna attach this piece to the tube. We gotta push this other piece to the bong, which is the rubber piece that will hold the water in the bottle. There we go. So we attach the other end of the tube to this. And push the bong inside the rocket. Okay, here it is. Launch pad. Seb, pull it back. Remember, this requires adult supervision. Now let's pump it. Wow, look at it go! Oh no, oh no. What is stuck in the tree? Man. Well, friends, we lost our rocket. It got stuck in the tree. So, lesson learned. If it's gonna go that high, don't do it near trees nor houses. Well, that's it for this experiment. Join me next time. Hey!